Good morning students. As in previous video I continued the chapter Reach for the Top, in which I told you about the great Indian mountaineer named Santosh Yadav. I told you that Santosh Yadav was born in Haryana. In that society people preferred sons, not daughters. But the grandmother of Santosh Yadav desired for a daughter. So, with the blessing of a holy man, Santosh Yadav was born there. Students will also study that Santosh Yadav did not want to follow the traditional custom as the other girls of her age were wearing traditional dresses, but she was wearing shorts. You have also studied that in that society, if the girls were of 16 years old, they were getting married, but Santosh Yadav did not want to marry until she could get education first. Students, further what happened? Let's see. When Santosh Yadav's parents wanted to get her married, what reaction was of Santosh Yadav? You are going to study. Further we will study how she had got admission in Delhi. And after studying there, after passing high school, she had gone to Jaipur, and how after Jaipur she had gone to Uttarkashi, and she had joined mountaineering college. All things you will study today. Now please open all of your book at page number 100 and paragraph number 4. Now see all of it. A marriage as early as that was the last thing, important thing. While Santosh Yadav became 16 years old, and she was studying in a local village school, and her father did not want to send her away from that village to study more, and her parents wanted to marry her. Now she did not want to marry. She warned her parents. A marriage as early as that was the last thing on her mind. She threatened her parents. Warned. Threatened means warned. While the parents of Santosh Yadav desired to get her married, she opposed. Santosh Yadav opposed, and she warned her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. She preferred education at first, and she said that until she could get proper education, she would not marry. She left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi, where her parents refused to pay for her education. She politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fees. Her parents then agreed to pay for her education. Students, after studying in village school, the parents of Santosh Yadav did not want to send her away, but she herself had gone to Delhi and she had got admission in a school. But when the parents of Santosh Yadav knew this, they refused to pay school fees. Then Santosh Yadav replied that she would do part-time job, she would work part-time and earn money for paying school fees. Then the parents of Santosh Yadav agreed to pay her fees for the school. Now students, Santosh was studying in school in Delhi. Then what happened? Let's see further. Wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. Students, Santosh studied in Delhi in a school, and she passed high school. After passing high school, she had gone to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Now she had joined Maharani College in Jaipur, and she was living in a room of hostel. Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the Arauli Hills. Santosh Yadav remembered that the Arauli Hills were the face to face of her room of Kasturba hostel. I used to watch villagers from my room going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. Vanishing, disappearing. Santosh Yadav was looking from her room and she saw that the villagers were going to Aravalli hills, and after some time they were disappearing. She could not understand and she wanted to go there and herself, and she wanted to find out what they were doing there. One day I decided to check it out myself. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. When she reached there, when she had gone there, she found that a few mountaineers were there and villagers were not there. They were mountaineers. And then she asked something. I asked if I could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. Now Santosh Yadav asked them, requested them if she could join them in mountaineering. They answered that first of all she should join mountaineering college where the education of mountaineering was given. Santosh got happiness and inspiration, and then what happened? Let's see. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Students, with the inspiration of those mountaineers, she saved money, and after getting education in Jaipur, after completing the session, after completing the semester, she had got admission in Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Now she saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. My college semester in Jaipur was, but it ended on the 19th of May, and I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed for the training. I had to write a letter of apology. Apology means saying sorry. Apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Students, after getting education in Jaipur college, in Jaipur, she had got admission in Uttarkashi, and she had to join for training there, and without telling her parents, she had gone to Uttarkashi and she joined there that mountaineering college for training, and she wrote a letter to her parents, and she wrote a letter of apology saying sorry that without permission of her parents she had joined that mountaineering college. Students, further what happened, let's see. Thereafter Santosh went on an expedition. Expedition is a journey made for a particular purpose. Expedition means a journey made for a particular purpose. After getting admission there in Uttarkashi in mountaineering college, she had gone on an expedition, a journey for particular purpose. Every year she was going. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance. Remarkable, unusual. She had unusual quality of resistance to cold and the altitude. Altitude is height above sea level. She had this unusual quality to face the problems on the high level of mountain, on the height of the mountain, on the altitude of mountain, and the cold weather. Equipped with means provided with. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly, and she had these qualities: physical endurance, amazing mental toughness, and iron will. In spite of all these three qualities, because of these qualities, she got success in mountaineering. The culmination Culmination is climax. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, and the climax of her work mountaineering came true in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. As before 4 years, she had requested the Aravalli mountaineers to join them, and they had advised her to join first of all the mountaineering, to get mountaineering education in mountaineering school. And she remembered then, and it was the success for her that she had got training in mountaineering, and it was the climax for her. And she remembered the request that she had made with the Aravalli Hills mountaineers of Aravalli Hills, if she could join them at that time before 4 years. Now students, up to this part we have studied how the parents of Santosh Yadav were not agree to send her to get more education away from the village, but Santosh Yadav herself had gone to Delhi and got education in a school. And when they did not want to pay the fees of school fees, she replied that she would do part-time job to earn money for paying fees. Then they agreed, and after passing high school in Delhi, she had gone to Jaipur, and after Jaipur, after getting education in Jaipur, she had gone to Uttarkashi, and she had joined mountaineering college there, and she succeeded there. Further, what happened, students, I will tell you next day. Thank you.